Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, Tutor Dollar. In this video, we're here to provide you with valuable information and insights. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to expand their knowledge, we're here to help. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in.
Hello friends, my name is Amit and I am from tutordollar.com, and in this video I will tell you how to remove the last saved file, last saved name from any Excel sheet so that you can remove the properties. So let's start. First we will open the file. So see, now on the left tab of the Excel there is a file name button. When you click on file, you will see that here in the author area there are author name and the last modified by. So if you want to remove this, you will see that here in the author area there are author name and the last modified by. So when you click on it, it won't be removed. So for that it's very easy. First you close the file, and then click on file in the bottom properties, then click on details and click on here remove properties and personal information. Click on this and you will see this dialog box. Now click on the remove the following properties from this file. When you click on it and check this last save by button and you click OK, and then again OK, and when you open the file, you can see that the last save by is removed from the file. See now. So this is a very good trick, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.